Introducing the Bose QuietComfort Earbud IIs. These are the newest addition to Bose's line of premium earbuds that deliver exceptional audio quality and industry-leading noise canceling. The Bose QuietComfort Earbuds II feature a sleek and modern design that's both elegant and functional. The earbuds are small and lightweight. There's 3 different sizes of Stay Here Max ear tips. That's just their fancy way of saying ear tips. These ear tips ensure a secure and comfortable fit. You also get touch controls and advanced acoustic technology to deliver rich, balanced, and immersive sound quality. The noise cancellation is also top-notch, allowing you to block out the world and focus on your music, calls, or work. With these Bose QC Earbud 2s, you can enjoy a premium audio experience that's both convenient and immersive. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Bose QuietComfort Earbud 2s.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV. We don't discriminate. We believe all tech deserves some love. On the inside, as soon as you open up the lid, you do get your earbuds right here on top. Underneath all of that, you have some literature. You also have your additional ear tips. These are your Stay Here Max ear tips that Bose has trademarked. And then you also got these stability bands on the right side. So you get 3 sets of ear tips and 3 sets of stability bands. Underneath that, you have your charging cable, USB Type A to USB Type C. And you also get this crazy thick, look like a safety guide. Okay people, so here are the Bose QuietComfort 2 earbuds. QuietComfort 2, the Bose QC Earbuds 2. QuietComfort 2 earbuds, it just sounds better to me. I don't know why. But anyways, you get them in 2 different colors. You have them in this soapstone color right here, and they also come in triple black, and they are pricey, people. You can pick these up for around $300. That is a lot for some earbuds. All right people, so going around this QuietComfort 2 earbud case, first thing I want to point out is that these aren't able to be wirelessly charged. For $300, Bose, you definitely could have put some wirelessly charging capabilities inside of this case. I mean, come on, seriously? On the back side, you have your Bluetooth pairing button. Underneath, you have your USB Type-C charging port. You have your indicator light on the front side right here. You actually got 2 indicator lights on here. So you have one on the front right here, and you also have another one on the inside. I'm guessing that the one on the front is for the charging case, and the one on the inside are actually for the earbuds. And this lid door right here, I do believe it's just spring loaded. I don't feel any magnets inside of here. You turn them down, the lid door will not open up, and then the earbuds are held in by magnets. I don't know. Oh, held in by magnets, and pretty strong magnets, even though it just popped up right there. But the magnets do hold up pretty well. So I guess what I'm just trying to say is if you have these in your purse, your gym bag, or something just rolling around, they won't open up, pop out, and fall out in your gym bag. The earbuds themselves are small and lightweight. They fit comfortably in the ears thanks to these Stay Here Max ear tips. The earbuds also have touch controls on the outside right here, allowing you to adjust the volume, play, pause, and skip tracks with ease. Now you also get 4 mics on each of these earbuds, which help out with noise cancellation and transparency mode, even though they call it like awareness mode and quiet mode or something like that. But noise cancellation, transparency mode, 4 mics each earbud definitely help out with those, and also with the call quality as well. You also get the proximity sensor right here on the inside, which allows that auto stop as soon as you take the earbuds out your ears. And as you can see people, these are a stem style earbud. These are my favorite type of earbud, even though the stem is a lot wider than I'm used to. They still do a pretty good job of giving you a area to hold on to, even though they went with touch surfaces, which I'm not a big fan of. But I do think that the stem style attempt helps minimizes those accidental touches, simply because there's more area to grab onto. All right people, and now for the battery life. So you'll get 6 hours on a single charge. This charging case will charge these earbuds back up 3 additional times for a total of around 24 hours of total playback time. The earbud charge time is 1 hour. The charging case charge time is 3 hours. Quick charge in here, if you hook these up for about 20 minutes, you'll get additional 2 hours of playback time. And then like I said before, you only have this USB Type-C port on the back and no wireless charging capabilities. You do get trademarked custom tune technology in here. It's Bose proprietary technology. And how that works is these earbuds, they send out a chime to learn your ear canal's unique shape. So every time you put these in your ears, you'll get that chime. The chime bounces back and gets picked up by the built-in microphones. Your buds then optimize a noise canceling and sound performance that fits you perfectly. So there's not like an ear optimization process that you would get from like your Soundcore or I think even your Sony's. The chime works, I guess, really well. So it just goes inside your ear canal, bounces back, hits the microphones, and lets Bose know exactly how your ear canal is shaped and how you best take in music. I don't know the technology behind it. I don't know if it's actually true, but that's what they said, so that's what I'm going with. You also get IPX4 water resistance rating in here, which means they are protected against sweat and splashing water from any angle. The interior of the charging case is resistant to water or sweat that may remain on the buds when they're placed inside for charging. However, it is not recommended that the outside of this case be exposed to water. You also get Bluetooth 5.1. There's no multi-point connection in here, so that's another thing that Bose definitely should have put in here for $300. You also get the SBC and AAC codecs, and then you get a Bose Music app as well to further customize these. And speaking of the Bose Music app, let's go ahead and talk about that right now. Okay, people, so what you want to do when you first get these headphones is download your Bose Music app, which looks like this right here, and I already have these hooked up to my mobile device. I just want to let you know that I'm going to briefly cover this app. There are just a few things in here I just want to point out that I think are most important to me. If you want a full deep dive to this app, I'll put that YouTube card right here. Go ahead and check that out. I'll be dropping that as soon as I drop this video. Go ahead, open up the app. As you can already see, I have the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds II already hooked up, so click inside of there. And this is your splash screen right here. Now, the few things that I did want to show you, the first thing is that where to find the touch control. Hit the gear icon at the top right, that'll bring you to the settings, and then you go to product tips right here, and then you have touch controls. So this will give you your touch controls. You have your single tap right here, you have your double tap and your triple tap right here. It also shows you that touch and hold activates your shortcuts, whether it's on your right or your left, and you have different options inside of that as well. And then you change the volume by swiping up or swiping down. Also, I want to show you about the mode. So you click in here. This is how you adjust from quiet mode to aware mode. Quiet mode is also noise cancellation mode, and aware mode is your transparent mode. So if I put it on quiet mode, it tells you the technology just inside of here. It says acoustic noise canceling technology mutes the world around you so you can better hear and feel every detail of your music. Under aware mode, as you can see that this icon popped up next to aware mode, that's how you adjust this setting. So if you click inside of there, you have the option to turn active sense on or turn active sense off. And what active sense does, it says, if things get too loud, Bose automatically adjusts the amount of noise cancellation so you can enjoy your music comfortably. So that's under the aware tab. You can also add two other modes inside of here. So let's just say you want to go to the gym. You click on the gym, you adjust how much noise cancellation you actually want in here. So let's just say you want to be completely aware of your surroundings. You can turn that all the way down, or you just want it a little bit. You can leave it like that and then hit done. And then also if you click these four dots up here, it tells you, remember my mode. It says when your headphones power on, they'll use the last mode you set. So I have that turned on right now. And the last thing I want to show you about this app is the EQ. So in here, you don't have like a more detailed EQ that I've seen on other earbuds, like say Soundcore or Sony, but Bose does give you an option for an EQ. And in my opinion, working with other Bose products in the past is actually a step forward, because before it was just like whatever they wanted you to listen to your music at, that's what you were stuck with. And then also at the bottom, you have these four presets: bass boost, bass reducer, treble boost, and treble reducer. And that's the few things that I want to show you that's most important to me when it comes to this Bose Music app. Like I said before, I will put a YouTube card at the beginning of this section for a full deep dive inside of this app. Before I talk about the sound quality here, I just want to let you know you are able to use these independently. You're able to put one earbud inside the case and then listen to the other one, and vice versa. I guess that this option was not available when these first dropped. Tech YouTuber CEO in the making, he made a very quick video letting people know that Bose has actually pushed a firmware update to these earbuds, and they added that feature to these earbuds, which is something that is a must-have on all earbuds in my opinion. So shout out to CEO in the making. I'll put his link right here. Want to go check him out if you haven't heard of him. Pretty dope YouTuber. Now let's talk about the most important aspect of any pair of earbuds, the sound quality. So These Bose QuietComfort 2 earbuds do not disappoint in this regard, and I didn't expect them to. They deliver rich, clear, and balanced sound with deep bass and crisp highs. Bose has always delivered a more dynamic sound, not too much for your bass heads, and that's exactly how I like to listen to my music, with more of a dynamic sound. I'm not really a bass head. The noise canceling feature is also outstanding, blocking out external noise so you can focus on your music or podcasts. And please remember, people, at the end of the day, I'm just giving you my point of view on how these earbuds sound to me. I'm getting old, people.
My body different. I'm breathing different.
Yo, I love that clip right there. My hearing is not what it used to be, so I'm just telling you how I hear these earbuds. All right, people, so as you're hearing my voice right now, this is how the other person on the other end of a phone call will hear you. Like I said earlier, these do have 4 mics in each of these earbuds, not only for noise cancellation in ambient mode, but also to help out with the call quality. Now I'm going to play some ambient noise. It's going to be an extreme test. I have my Onyx Studio 6 speaker right here, and I'm just going to be blasting ambient city sound from this speaker. So let me know how it sounds. Leave a comment down below. Okay, so this level is at 50% right now. I'm going to turn it up to 100% and be quiet and let you hear how these let ambient sound in or don't let ambient sound in. And like I said, this is just sounds from walking around in the city of New York. So here's the photo right here. And here's the video right here. All right, people, that concludes my call quality test with these Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. When it comes to latency, people, I tested it out on YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Apple TV Plus, Disney Plus, Hulu, Peacock, all the usual suspects when it comes to streaming movies and TV shows. No latency issues whatsoever. I also played a round of Call of Duty Mobile on here, and they perform flawlessly. And that's all I got for you, people. That is my full unboxing and first impressions of these Bose QuietComfort Earbuds 2. In my opinion, they are an excellent choice for anyone looking for high quality earbuds with top-notch noise canceling capabilities. They deliver great sound. They're definitely more comfortable to wear than the original QuietComfort earbuds. They have a long battery life and they are easy to use. The only downside to me, people, you don't get wireless charging capabilities in here. There's no multi-point connection, and you have to pay $300. I mean, for $300, Bose, these should have all the bells and whistles. If you are able to pay the $300, then yeah, get them. But if you don't want to pay the $300, I know times are tough for a lot of people right now. I can't recommend these at that price point. That's just my honest opinion. If this is your first time here, or if you found any value in this video whatsoever, please smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.